We going? All right. Bruce Milligan here from Cellpro Repair Solutions. We are working on the gt-n8010, so the Galaxy Tab. I believe this is the original Galaxy Tab, but regardless, the number is gt-n8010. Yeah, gt-n8010. So what we want to do is we're just replacing the battery on it with a new one. So anyways, here we go. What we want to do here is, it's already off a little bit, we want to remove this gray plate. It's just kind of clipped into place. With clips. There we go. And it seems to come off pretty easily. So it looks like there's a bit of glue on the, or tape on the back, or adhesive on the back as well. Anyways, there's a bunch of screws on the back, so let's pop those guys off. And yeah, this kind of clips off too, but I do want to make sure that there's nothing. Okay, yeah, and those clip off as well. So yeah. Anyways, let's start removing some of these clips. It's got a pen. Pop that pen out. There we go. And what I'm doing is I'm just kind of sticking the spudger in there. The clips are in there pretty good. This clip's a good one. Oh, look at that. This guy doesn't want to come out at all. Anywho. There we go. So if I get stuck on a clip, I just kind of move to the next clips down the line. And as you can see, that clip isn't that hard. There's the back. Alright, so these guys are done. And here we are. So let's remove some of these wires here. I'm gonna be pretty delicate with them. Tape, make sure we're lifting on the tape, that's it. Okay, we're going to take these out. Cool. So I'm going to leave that alone. I'm a little perplexed on that right now. I don't know how that one comes out, to tell you the truth. And it seems a little bit weird. So I'm actually just going to ignore it and see if I can delicately get my way around it, I think. Other than that, we have all these guys out so far. So obviously there's screws around here on this. Okay, that looks like those are all the screws that we have. Again, I'm not removing that, so I do need to be delicate. And at the same time, we need to take a peek here and see what kind of power we're working with, because the power is actually still attached. Huh. It looks like just a regular on off, but let's take a peek here. Okay, it looks like I can sort of slide that out, but at the same time I do need to take this out of place. It's not coming out very easily. Should push it back. Think you push it back? I don't know. Let me take a closer peek. Most of the time, spot off. Oh, there we go. That wasn't there good. It wasn't there so good that it actually broke a little piece of the battery off in there that we're gonna have to get out. There we go. There we are. Alright, so now that that's taken care of, we can take this out, but at the same time being aware that we left that other wire in place. Essentially we should remove this, but this little guy looks a little bit weird to me and I don't really want to go there today. Breaking parts on the board is not something that I like to do, so if I can leave it alone, that's what I'm going to do. Alright, anyways, here's the new battery. The battery just simply goes into place, like so. And then so let's connect the wires and then see if it's properly going into place. In other words, let's see if we're getting power to this. I'm just going to put a screw or two in. Just to make sure this guy doesn't flop around on us. There we go. Okay, so let's check out this power and see if it's given us anything here. It might not, because it might not have come with any power in it, but there we go. We have power. So I'm just going to let it do its thing and then I'm going to shut it off. Okay, so now it's shutting down again. I'm actually going to put something on here to protect the screen a bit. And at this point, we screw these screws in to place. Cool. Alright, now let's put this back on. Just basically clipping it into place. Well, it's plastic, so I'm going to actually bend it a bit. We'll get there. Come on. Come on. There we go. There we go. So these ones in the corner are difficult, so I'm actually just hitting the tab. And then this one's really difficult. Okay, well, we'll come back to that one. Very nice. Cool. Alright, let's get this last one here. Damn. Gonna open up a tab or two. See if I can get better leverage on it. Try and fold the plastic a bit. Oh, I almost had it. I'm just oh, got it. Cool. All right. Jeez Louise. Nice. Cool. Alright, so that's all in place there. And we're looking good. So let's put these screws back in as well. It was 1, 2. Is that even 2? Oh geez, thanks. And then again. And then here we go. Alright, and that was harder than I thought it was going to be. Getting those guys in, that's all sweat. So the customer's not going to like that one. So let's clean that up. So we're not giving them back a sweaty tablet. Alright, that's how you repair the Samsung Galaxy Note 10.1 or the GT-n8010. Thanks a lot.